Hi, my name is Philip Derkacy, Phillips Chevrolet over here in Lansing, Illinois. I'm going to show you how to turn on, when you get out of the vehicle, your mirrors will fold automatically. So you come into your home page on your screen, you scroll over to Settings and Vehicle. So now what you're looking for is comfort and convenience. This is one of the options that makes the vehicle more convenient. So we're going to go to Remote Folding Mirrors. I have it on. It would turn it off. You turn it on, and you press on. So now when we exit the vehicle, you can see that the mirrors fold. You're looking for more tips or salesmen? Ask for me, Phil Derkacy, Phillips Chevrolet, Lansing. Thank you.